On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you've all absolutely crushed this market. Caught the bottom, caught the top. You guys are just top notch. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. It is Thirsty Thursday, and I'm thirsty for some profits. I don't know about you, but I'm always hungry. Starving, famished, absolutely ready to rock. Hopefully you guys are too. It's a beautiful day in the crypto world. Everybody's saying Nvidia has saved our planet. I mean, our stock market. And I see a lot of like Nvidia bull posting, you know? What's going on, everybody? Good morning, everybody. Do you not see all this? Everybody's effing thumbnail looks like this, guys. Everybody's. The bottom's in. The bottom is in because he, the one, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Anyways, we'll see. One company to rule them all. Oh man, how many bull posts have you seen lately, though? How many? Is it a bit ridiculous when everybody's saying we're doomed? Now everybody's saying Nvidia is going to save us. You see how fast sentiment flips. Were they saying that at 88,000 yesterday? Yeah. Here comes the humble pie with extra hair. Maybe a little. Who knows? Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. What's going on, everybody? Did you guys come and trade? I made a boo-boo last night. I took a degenerate trade on Asia, and I made $1,000. And I should not have made $1,000. But I did. If you did join me for the Asia market last night, it was it was quite funny. It was bad. It was naughty. But hopefully you guys all had a wonderful. I'm starting it off with a bang. I'm already up $1,200 for the day. I consider last night, because it's the new day of trading, I consider last night profits for today. I don't know how you guys would do it, but that's how I'm doing it. So tough. Coming into a block right now. We got a couple of order blocks on the way up. We got golden pocket down below here, guys. Okay. 382 bouncing here. Nice order block in here. Below VWAP. Okay, below VWAP. We look at Meta. Look, pre-market, guys. So pre-market. Meta, Microsoft. Home Depot is flat. This is a warning sign, guys. When Home Depot's doing this, it means people aren't renovating their homes, which means people aren't spending money. And this is not like, this is regular people. Home Depot is a very good sentiment of the market kind of indicator. And we can see, you know, people were hovering within this area in here and has since rolled over. It's a very good indication of the actual person in the world. Not like pre-market Tesla, already up $10 almost. Coinbase, Apple, Amazon, Google. Google's killing it, man. Google's up almost $10. And our good old friend, Mr. Nvidia. Okay? Nvidia, and Robinhood. So, will it continue? That is always going to be the question, right? Is it going to continue? Is this thing just going to go to Valhalla? Up 5% pre-market. Pretty wild. So crushed earnings yesterday, everybody. So absolutely decimated earnings. Michael Berry or Ball Breaker Berry is getting crushed by his short because he's not going to win, man. Why would you short something like this? Have you seen this guy? Have you seen this on a 2-week time frame, guys? Have you guys seen this chart on a 2-week time frame? Fucking hell. There is no second best, guys. Really ridiculous, no? Little ridiculous. Put a 1 in the chat if you wish you bought Nvidia in 2019. I was too busy playing with pet rocks and shit. I'm kidding. Holy smokes. So, and I mean, Bitcoin looks similar. But damn, Daniel. That's a safe bet. You know, that's a safe bet. Bitcoin looks just as good, if not better. More volatility, though. So, there you have it. Happy days, everybody. Happy days. We can all celebrate, even though we are very much down. Now, what you must understand is I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, I do. I do care. I want this thing to rip. But what we want to see is this or that? Okay, and what do I mean by that? Is this okay? Here's your gay death cross. Okay, so you got this like death cross here, and you got your death cross here, I believe. Okay, here's your moving averages, gay death cross, okay? Is it this one or this one? Put a 1 in the chat if it's this one. Put a 2 in the chat if it's this one. Which one is it, guys? Is it a rally to all-time highs? Or is it a retracement to dump on our heads and make us all cry again? Which one is it? Which one is it? You guys tell me. 1, 2, 1, 2. The more 2s I see, the more I think it's a 1. Ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, death cross normally marks the bottom, right? They didn't make enough money yet. That's a good way of looking at it. 69. I like Timbo. What's going on, Timbo Slice? Good morning to you, man. So, Nobody knows, really. Let's be honest. Nobody really knows. All we can do is be reactive, right? And that's how we prepare in the Discord. Discord on fire yesterday. My God. Did you guys see all those? Everybody gave along on ETH, Solana, and Bitcoin in the Discord. Discord absolutely crushed it yesterday. Congratulations, Discord. You guys are amazing. I was able to long Soy Boy Lana, 131. My God. Kyle gave the long on Bitcoin, 88.9, I believe. Ethereum WaveCypher gave the long on the break of structure. Guys, the spoon is, I need a bigger one, man. I need to make a spoon so big that I can feed everybody. But the Discord on fire, man. Black Friday sale on. New website. Join the Discord. I mean, you should have joined yesterday. If you were considering joining it yesterday, you would have paid for your whole year, basically. If you can't make $75 on a 5% move, you should probably go back to McDonald's and push some carts. Do they push carts at McDonald's or Walmart? Anyways, and if you're learning and you're not risking that much money, I mean, the education, the amount of people helping you, 8 people kicking ass, taking names. My God. Django, you're exceptional. Okay, stop it. You know I love you. Okay, so does it really matter? I mean, it matters to my portfolio. Obviously, I would like this thing to go up. I'd like to just like go up and buy a house cash. You see, I've done really well lately trading. That doesn't make up for the amount that has gone down in my portfolio. So I would like a run, please. But doesn't mean we're going to get it. So how am I preparing? What are we doing here, right? So if this and that. Up, down, all around, funky town. So pushing up, hype on Nvidia, and looking for a continuation here. Okay, very choppy, still volatile. Market's still very volatile. Thank you, everybody, for being here, saying good morning. VIX has dropped down to 20. Michael Paul, Infinite Team TA, Menace, Random. Alexander G, good to see you. Mahaba. Good to see you guys. I need a new join the Discord thing. Black. Use code Black Friday. One of those. I gotta make a new tag. AlexOCrypto.com. Maybe Alexandra G will do it for me because she's a sweetheart. I don't know. Mods aren't doing it. Mods aren't modding right now. I don't blame them. They don't want to manage more people or deal with more idiots. Okay. Nice push here. Consolidation chop, double bottom in here, trying to continue upwards. A little bit of a downtrend below VWAP, so no trade right now. We'll look for resistance into here. Let's go swing high to swing low. Yeah, we got a little bit of liquidity in this high here and a support and resistance level in here. So natural resistance here. Coming up into VWAP. Maybe a slapping continuation down. This is very aggressive, so it's pretty much all liquidity. Fair value gaps. Yeah. So if this then that, it's going to be a very interesting market open here. NASDAQ still in a downwards channel, guys. So don't, I mean, literally what we want to see is structure change, right? We want to see structure change on Bitcoin, on all of these tokens, all of this stuff. So we want to see, hey, man, we're going to be okay. Right? Is there jobs news today? Isn't there like jobs data from September coming out today, guys? Am I wrong? This is from yeah, we got it today, guys. Oh, first time for news in a while, guys. Sorry, I missed the whole thing here. Is this right? 7:30? That's not so market open. No, they're not doing it at market open. Are they doing it in 15 minutes or in an hour and 15 minutes? Am I on the wrong UTC? Should I be UTC -7? It's 6:30 here. Or it's 6:15. Are they doing it at market open? It's in 15 minutes, right? Did I look at the minutes? I watched a podcast on the minutes. Yeah, there's some yeah, so they're not doing the jobs data. They're flying blind. Yeah. Okay. So mine was just set to the wrong one here. So 15 minutes for this is September though, guys. It's not October. Remember, they're not showing us October, so they're not giving us October data. Don't call me Dada. It's going to be bad, guys. It's not going to be good, man. It's not going to be fucking... You think people are getting jobs? Mr. Roboto is coming for your job-o. Chat GPT-o. Man, wait until Chat GPT can flip a burger, man. It's over. It's over. It's over. Just go on UBI, Universal Basic Income. Can't even afford a friggin' McSausage or whatever. That's why we're here clicking buttons, trying to get rich off of trading, right? That's good. More people are going to come and learn how to trade with AlexOCrypto because they can't get a job at flipping burgers. And that's okay with me, man. We will help you navigate and flip money into beautiful burgers. McGriddles, man. We're McGriddling. All right, so we do have news. Oh my God, it's been so long, man. ChatGPT. I use Grok. And I've been trying out Nano Banana or whatever it's called. That's the Google AI. If you look at my tabs up top here, Google AI, I called it Gay. GAI right here. Gay. It's AI Google Studio. Gay. You ever used Gay before? It's pretty good. Right, you can go in here and get let's get a little picture here. Let's go to the thumbnail picture, upload file. Let's go here and make this guy into a Giga Chad Otter anime character who throws money at people for fun in a stock market setting with lots of hot ladies. Let's see what happens. I don't know, man. That's just there's my brain at 6:20 in the morning, guys. Let's go. All right, Giga Chad, Otterman. All right, there's our theme. There's our theme for the day, guys. I should have put this in the front picture of the Otter Gang. Look at that. My wife isn't gonna like this, man, but there we are. If you want me to add, I should have put me in the front of this right here. Giga Chad Otterman. Busty anime chicks. Yeah, you guys are on your wanking chariots. I better hide this. You guys are bad. I'll put it in the Discord if you guys have a desire for it. Oh, it's pretty good, eh? I don't know. I don't know. The world's screwed, man. Like with stuff like this, the world's screwed. Come on, wait until you put on some goggles and you just go wherever the hell you want. Human beings are a disease. Welcome to the Matrix. We're in a simulation, guys. Okay? Don't get it twisted. That's why I like being here with you guys, man. Where's the cigar? guys. I'm not the prompt master, okay? Dylan, good to see you. Dutchy, what's going on, bro? Andrew Cameron, Ben Baker, Easy Money, Honda Man, good morning. Good to see you. We got 10 minutes till the news comes out. Can you check ETH by any chance? Yeah, we can look at ETH, absolutely. Taylor A, wish you streamed longer. You're the most accurate trader in the space. How is Dash looking to you, Master Otter? Thank you for the 5, Taylor, sorry, I butchered your name. I wish I could stream longer too, man, but my wife, she always demands me to be present, which is important. I'm a family man first. Good morning, everybody. So you want me to look at Dash? I'm going to tell you it's shit, but it's pushing right now. So you're probably excited because you see it moving, which is fine. One of the better looking charts, I guess. It's not bleeding out too bad here. Where are we golden pocketing from? Yep. Let's see your volume. So really you need to see a support and resistance flip above $93. That's going to be your line in the sand here. You have like a bunch of volume nodes in here and support in here. So right now you're in Chopville, man. You're in Chopville. So what you're looking for is structure, right? So you do have structure in the sense that you have pushed here. Yeah, nice retracement level. So this is your buy level in here. Nice push up. Change in structure. Coming into resistance. Order block here. There's your sandwich. You are looking for a retrace continuation, bro. So break of highs. This is a good structure change in here on the macro. Higher low. Bullish divergence. Break of structure here. So you're looking for a retrace continuation. You're going to have liquidity to hunt. However, you could still 3 drives in here. So if this, then that. That's how I would prepare for it. So I'd be looking for potential pullback in here and continuation. Stop loss below the low. Target 82. Your big target 93 to get above and flip. That would be your major target if you're looking for a long. So you'd be looking at this over time. Hopefully that helps you with your Dash coin. Thanks for the 5. Yeah. I normally never do altcoins. Thank you for being here. And the kind words. Took 5 days pay loss yesterday. It's okay, JR. It's okay, man. What was the issue? Over trading? Fetch AI strong. I hold a bunch of Fetch AI. You'll be posting an interview with a congresswoman today. Randy, they would never let me talk to a fucking congresswoman. I'd be like, yo, what up, bitch? No, joking. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I would not be like that. I'd be respectful, but damn, I'd be like, so, tell me about the money laundering. No. I mean, too funny. Too funny. Oh, man. God bless you, Randy. How are you doing? Everything good? Hopefully everything's doing well for you over there in your cookie factory. God bless you. Hopefully you're doing well. Guys, Miss Teen Crypto, you better call her Randy Hipper, though. I'm allowed to call her Miss Teen Crypto. You lost 10K. I'm sorry to hear that, man. Easy Money, what's going on? How can I learn to trade like you, bro? I show you everything in the Discord. I find your news pertinent to Litecoin relationship. What's going on, Trade Intuition? Good to see you, man. Honda, man. Buy low, sell high. Yeah, that would be the smart-ass answer for Tony. I love Tony. WWF is wrestling, right? What's the best technical analysis method? Easy money. There really isn't a best one. Trading's personal, right? So your trading must cater to who you are and what you want to do, right? For me, I've been a scalper since day one. My whole goal when I came into the market was to spend 2 to 4 hours max in the charts, focused, make my money, and run away. That's always been what I've worked towards. So I've built my strategy around that. Therefore, executing it now is a lot easier over time, right? Because you develop a craft, right? I'm not where I want to be, but I'm happy with where I'm going, right? I have a specific set of skills. I will find you. But it's taken time and refinement and understanding. And at the end of the day, it's about managing your risk and taking high probability setups, right? It's not rocket science. You have to be a good loser. You have to be. You have to know when you're wrong and take it in the chin to trade another day. If you don't know how to do that, you're not going to survive. I promise you that. That's the number one thing I hear. Oh, I blew my account. I overtraded. I used too much leverage. Trading's bullshit. The market maker's hunting me. No shit, the market maker's hunting everybody, man. We're not important. So our job is to come in here, take our piece, and run away. Okay? That's it. I'll take your money, and I'm gone. Of course, you pay crypto tax everywhere except Dubai. Canada is one of the most taxed nations in the world, man. They will tax. Let's put it this way. There is more tax agents than military in Canada. There's more CRA agents than military in Canada. You ain't getting away with it. Good morning, Jatinder. Good to see you, man. Ryan, good morning. Good to see you, Guy, as well. Is it Guy or is it Gi? I want to call you Gi. I think Gi is cool, man. It's like the thing you wear in karate, you know? Considering joining soon. Well, welcome if you do want to join. I'd love to have you. Alex looking tired. I'm actually well rested. I had to take the day off teaching yesterday. I was absolutely effed. Like, it's 2 back-to-back long, like, open eyes work, close eyes sleep for 4 hours, open eyes work. Oh, catching a bid here. News is out. News is out. Catching a bid here. Push Bitcoin. Catching a bid on the news. Non-farm. Pump and dump. Oh my God, the market's like, oh my God, I haven't seen you in months. Oh baby. Pushing. Let's go, Biddy. Pump and dump. Oh, pump and dump, baby. Forecast was 50K, came at 119. Unemployment rate up 1 tick. Not good, guys. People losing jobs. Army Piper is probably up right now with a boner. I guarantee you. It's like first time he woke up in like 10 years with a towel hanger. He's like a totally ready for this, man. Army Piper's so excited right now. I love Piper, by the way. But he's so I'm in my waking chair. Here we go. Piper is on fire, man. Oh man. He woke up with the towel hanger, man. Look at this thing rip, baby. Let's go. Sell wall hit. Sell wall hit. Continuation. Data wood. He's got that data hardwood. Oh my God. Too good, man. Well, not the highest overall. Canada's combined federal and provincial marginal income tax is the 5th highest. Wow, that's disgusting. Yeah. And I'm telling you, the services aren't that good, man. They will find you. Look at that sell wall, guys. Look at that sell wall. Anybody press short there? Jeez. Beautiful. I am not participating in this. No trade. No trade for AlexOCrypto. I am not participating in this. I was a naughty boy yesterday. And I took a degenerate trade and made $1,000. I'm not pushing my luck, guys. I'm not pushing my luck at all. However, if you pressed sell in the sell wall, you'd be doing very well right now. No gifts for Alex. I'm getting coal. I am getting a big lump of coal. Good morning, Cal. Good to see you, Sam Wise. Hey, he's one of my Hobbit friends, Sam Wise. What's going on? Good to see you. Did you open a position, Alex? No. Christy, good to see you. News is, we'll see what it is. We'll see how it comes out. Let's see how it affected our, sorry for the flashbang. Poof. Oh my God. That's horrible in the morning. Can we load, please? No one said nothing about a load. I got to make a rude joke there. So, consensus, this is only September, guys. They don't want to show you October. They really don't want to show you October because it's bad. This is unemployment rate coming up, right? People losing their jobs. Look at the job loss since ChatGPT. Boop, 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 boop. That's a great trending product right there, guys. Up only. Up only. 29% chance of a cut. Oh, that's blinding. That's disgusting. What did it do to Nvidia? Nvidia still way up for pre-market. Not dropping. NASDAQ. Let's go over to the US 100 here. I like it a bit better. It's more reactive. Nice push. Push, retest back down. Continuation. Push, retest back down. Okay. Army Piper, what's the consensus, bro? I guess I have to send everybody over to you today. Because, you got... Check out the daily market cipher on the S&P. Is it juicy wave cipher? Positive posturing to the upside. We got a nice... yeah. What we have not had a big anchor wave in a while. Interesting. We shall see, my friend. We shall see. Great trade yesterday on Ethereum. Their wave cipher. You top G. You top Otter G, man. You're utterly fantastic. I wish I sold this thing right here. My God. but I can't do it because I was a naughty boy yesterday. I should not have taken that trade. So I'm sitting the degenerate trade out today. The news that came out was for September. Yes, it wasn't for October. Okay. What happened? Show it. You want to see the data there, Django? Poof. Fed rate cuts. Unemployment rate going up. Non-farm payrolls going up. Okay. Everything excluding farm jobs, guys. They rose. Yeah, wait till the revisions come in. Wait till the revisions come in. We'll see who rose. The only thing that rose is Piper this morning. They don't want us to know how bad October was exactly. I'm looking at futures. It already has the dot. Oh, so you're looking at the ES. On the daily, there's your dot. Printing. Double BitBoy green dots, baby. Let's go. Exciting, man. Hopefully it confirms today. A big old yo-yo this morning. Yo-yo, guess what? We're going nowhere. Pump and dump and pump. Coming back, grabbing liquidity out of the highs here, looking for continuation. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live stream. You guys haven't hit like buttons, man. I hate having to ask you, but we got 450 people in here, and we only got a dismal 100 like buttons. And like, it doesn't really happen until I ask you guys. So if you wouldn't mind taking the extreme time out of your TikTok scrolling brain and pressing like, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you. What do you think about inverse fair value gaps combined with other confluences? I don't typically, for me, fair value gaps are, I only use them for targets for price to return to. So I call it like an imbalance. So whenever you get the gap, okay, these imbalances, these aggressive moves, I treat them as targets. I don't treat them as something I would trade off of. I'd rather trade the block or the fib level, so swing high to swing low, right? And you'd have your golden pocket in here. But so like this gap in here is definitely a target with a Fibonacci, right? That's why we were looking for a short here. But yeah, I'm not a big fair value gap trader. I'm not. Yeah, I don't. Not for entries, anyways. Not for entries. For targets. You already hit like twice. Thank you. The vector candles. The vector candles. Did you see the game they are playing with October combination into November and releasing it after the FOMC? No, I didn't. I'll have to watch your show and you can tell me all about it. So I learned something. What's going on, Sulio? Good to see you, man. The man with the best hair and the best driving skills, man. Serious question. Has Bitunix ever compensated you for technical error? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, like 3 times. I have a good rep for Bitunix, and if you need help, come into the Discord, open up a ticket, send me pictures of what's happened, and I'm sure they can figure something out for you. That's why I use Bitunix, because my rep responds right away. They give me good deals for my community. And anytime I have had an issue, they have compensated me in full. And after I dealt with MexC versus dealing with them, I'd rather pay the fees on my trading. And I still pay quite a bit of fees, guys. I could show you my fees. It's nasty. However, there's a sense of not security, because all these exchanges are bullshit. Believe me, I moved $80,000 off of my trading account yesterday. I'm back to a $100,000 trading account, guys, if you're wondering. We're back. I can show you the receipts, so if you want to see the receipts, but we're back to a $100,000 trading account. and I can show you, because I show you guys everything, man. Had the best November of my life, guys. So the best, simply the best. And then we can show you yesterday. I told you guys I was moving money off of the exchange. You see here, I can show you. Here's the show and tell, guys. It's always good to show and tell. All right, so this was yesterday in the afternoon. I moved over 0.1 Bitcoin, which is about $10,000. Okay, and then I did a test. You see, you do a test first, guys. You do a test first. You see this? Then you send over the chunk of change. Always do the test first. Always do. I'm not sending over 70 grand. Do the test first. Please do the test first. Anyways, there it is. Receipts, man. Always receipts here. Unlike some people. I won't go there, though. I'm not going to go there, Piper. Always receipts. How do you get an account to 10K? Did you start trading with that amount or did you build it? I started with $1,000, man. Got lots of videos on that. Do you have any idea of what? Do you think futures trading has less fees? Trades by Matt, $4,000 and pays $80 in fees. Yeah, Trades by Matt's an amazing trader. He's my hero. He doesn't even know he's my hero. I have I think I've learned the most from him. So I don't know why you watch me. Go watch him. I don't care if you watch me. You can go watch him. He's awesome. Absolute legend. $8,000 in like 4 seconds. My hero, man. God bless you, V Monitor. Good to see you. Tony Soprano, Bullish Bob, Benad. Where is the educational part on the Discord, big bro? There's 140 videos personalized. We did 4. How many did we do yesterday? 4? 3? 3 yesterday? 4? Cater to everybody in the Discord and what they want. Right? What did we talk about yesterday? We talked about
swing trades.
Swing trades. We talked about doing swing trades. We talked about what else?
Today on the live stream we were talking about
volume continuation trade that we took yesterday on the live stream.
So down only with rules is the opposite of up only with rules.
So down trading with rules.
Down.
The
rules are very simple, and they are very.
Okay, pretty good. Pretty good. What else do we do? This was just yesterday.
So let's talk about environment. What
environment
do to
nonstop, man. And 4 videos yesterday. Rolling over here, no trade, guys. Still waiting. I'm letting this settle a little. Like for me, sweep of the lows would be ideal right here. Clearly, I would have loved to short this, but the level was spot on. So we can thank the TA gods for allowing me to at least be right about the level and not degenerately trade. Sensory overload from all the Alexes. Yeah. What type of trader you should be is a good video. Yeah. Okay, I'll see if I can help you, man. Which video do you think is the most impactful? Well, we have a section that's the must section. So it's the must section is something that I tell everybody they must watch it if they want. You don't come and ask me questions if I've done lessons on them. But the must section is key. You got up only with rules, okay? Covering everything, how I set up my boxes, S tier indicators, right? How I set up my boxes and key levels, reversals, how to understand what a reversal looks like. The musts in trading, volume, price action, liquidity, market structure, putting it all together. Then up only with strategy. We also did down only with strategy. We just got an SFP. Catching a bid here. Says lower. A little bit of volatility here. Nvidia's holding up. Pardon me. Indecision. Indecision, SFP. SFP didn't come for the low here. Interesting. I'm going to put this guy on my radar here. And this guy. These two are going on my radar. Yeah, no trade. Yeah, so we, how to use your exchange. So how to enter like your trade, how to you got to know how to use your exchange. It's like being a carpenter not knowing how to cut straight. Like you better go back to the drawing table. Big backtesting video done by Kyle. He's very good at that, so I asked him to do that for the community. Reversal methods. How to enter trade safely. This one's very important. Scalping session lesson. Okay. Risk management musts. Up only. Market cipher scalp. Starting with 1K, how to do it all over again. For new traders, where to start. So you're starting with a new account. Market structure video. Brewberry. Great video. Will change your trading forever. Jumping on trend and reversals, how to identify them. 3-minute entries. Scalp mastery. 3-minute confirmation trades with rules. Stop loss tips and tricks. Oscillator magic. What type of trader are you? Risk management. Entering trades, understanding the market, down only trading with rules. I mean, all of those flawless videos. And then you have to practice. We're talking about practice, man. Okay, you ain't Allen Iverson at trading. You like some chubby, short, fat Alex who can't even do a layup. We're talking about practice, man. Is Plume undervalued? I don't know. You've been watching too much of that no bullshit crypto guy. He loves Plume. He wants Plume in the bum. Steve Hickey, what's going on? Trader Intuition, my man, what's going on? Black Friday sales going on. C-pin comment above. Thank you, Alexander G. God bless you. Scammy, cup in handy. You guys are too much, man. Yeah, we've seen those people trade intuition. I kind of stay away from stuff like that. How do you get the Black Friday discount? You join the Discord and you type in Black Friday. Go to the website. Doo from India, guys. Everybody say hi to Doo. Let's see Doo in the chat, guys. What's going on, man? Good to see you. How you doing? God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, Doo. You're my hero. I like your trading style, Alex. Oh. Did you watch the AI Do series? No, send that to me in the mods chat, bro. I'd like to watch that. Let's go. Hi, Rick from Texas. Rick is from Texas, everybody. Hi from Morocco. Where are we all from, man? Hi, Dutch from Dutchland. Let's go, baby. Nice pushback here. Good pushback. Solana didn't pop. I'm long Solana. Honestly, I think Bitunix like wants to give me money. It's really weird. Really weird, guys. I feel like Bitunix just wants to give me money. I don't know how to explain this, guys. Okay, so what happens... Put a 1 in the chat if this has happened. Bitunix's chart won't move, but TradingView's chart will move. Anybody? Guys, anybody? Bitunix's chart will stay flat, but my TradingView's ripping. Does anybody get that? It's like free money. Does anybody get that? Yeah? Guys, did we not just pop there? Bitunix is just chilling down here. It's like the easiest, guys. It's so. Anybody else see that? Guys, they just said, here's $100. Thank you. Here's $100. Thank you. Incredible. It happens all the time, man. If you're watching it and the price pops, but Bitunix will stay flat. It'll stay flat. It's so weird, man. Like we all saw this take off, right? It took off. Bitunix just stayed here like a namby-pamby. It just was flat. I don't know how to illustrate it. Look, this took off. Look at this take off. Right? Bitunix was flat the whole time. It happens weirdly, like all the time. Weirdly, all the time. It's fine. Thank you for $100, Bitunix. Don't tell my exchange rep, okay? GG's in the chat. It's like a, I don't know, free money glitch. So, give me the $100 you got as a membership. Let's see if you win then. Let's do a giveaway here. Trading tuition, kind words. God bless you, bro. Go to channel. We'll do a giveaway. Happy giveaway. What video should we pump up? I don't know. Do you want to do Tau? Do you have a leverage trading questions? There we go. That's a good one.
So inject.
All right, let's go. Leverage. Let's go here. Put Otter Gang in the chat. Subscribe to Trade Intuition. He comes through all the time. I think I get up a little bit too early for him. That's fine. I think he streams at 12 too. 12 or 1 or 11. Somewhere in there. I'm always teaching while he's live, so it's very hard for me to see what's up. Go over, subscribe to Trade Intuition. Go and check him out. There's no holder of secrets here for me. You guys can support other content creators. That's what it's all about. Go over there. You guys got the link, right? Comment Otter Gang. Otter Gang. Otter Gang, gang, gang. Can you give important tips to keep in mind while trading? Absolutely. Yeah, of course. Everybody go over there, comment. Otter gang. Otter gang. Yeah, we're good. You guys subscribe, hit the like button. Refresh. Do we got
So
enough comments here?
I had a
You're going to watch the video, right? Otter gang, please. Lots of Otter gangs in here. Make sure you guys subscribe. Go and check them out. All right. Filter. Otter. 12. Let's go. 78 comments. Good job, guys. Make sure you subscribe as well. If you're not a member, we'll give you a 1-month membership. If you are a member, we'll give you some money. Never financial advice. We're just some hobbit here trying to help you guys navigate these charts. Thank you guys for supporting fellow content creators and being good people, man. Crypto Birdie. GG's, man. GG's. Come over to the Discord. Open up a ticket. Okay? There's a place called Ticket. You click it. Ticket. You click it. Okay? Congratulations. Thank you for supporting Tradester Joe. Gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get your ass over here and open up a damn ticket. Don't forget, Giga Chat Otter with all the anime hoes, man. Look at this guy. This guy's made it. He's even got green eyes like me. Who would have thought? What's going on, Spartan Trader? Hello. Are you... See, I always got to... Anybody who comes in, you got to check and make sure. Oh, join my Discord. Please verify. Bitcoin dumping. Best Discord in all crypto. 8 traders helping you guys navigate the charts. Over 140 videos. 150? I got to get that to 150. Those rookie numbers. 150 videos helping you guys out. GG's. All right, Bitcoin rolling over here. Holy shit. Okay, I'm in the membership. Studio. Welcome, bro. God bless you. You could have done an exchange. You could have taught me how to drive better, but I don't think I have a desire to become a race car driver. I love driving, but who doesn't? Hi, from Ukraine. What's going on, man? I'm Alex from Canada. From North Pole. Isaac. My new time is 9 p.m. EST, but doing bonus stream today at 12. Okay, cool. In the night. He's in the night, guys. Can you give important tips to keep in mind while trading BTC? Absolutely. So my number one tip is to wait. Okay. This is a patience game. It's not a active sport. We're not here playing ping pong, okay? You don't need to be in a trade. My other thing is you need to be taking trades based on strategy. Okay? Strategy. I know it's a foreign word for a lot of people. Okay? You need risk management and strategy. Then you can work on your little mindset, okay? Which requires testing. Who would have thought? You have to do some work, man. SFP coming down in here. I like this. Nice dump for Biddy. Rolling right over, baby. Humble pie. Coming into our block right now. Looking for a sweep of this low. Nice roll over here. 9 o'clock, everybody. Thank you for being on the live. Nvidia still remains strong. Bitcoin coming back for late longs. Not liking the data. Bull div in here. Need to reclaim the range in order to justify a long. Otherwise, this is going to dump city, everybody. Solana, good close here. Good close. Rolling over. Big SFP for Bitcoin. Into our block here. So typically you would look for like a slap in here, retest the previous lows, tight stop loss. It's just rolling over though. It's not the reaction I want to see right now. Plus coming into market open, it's trapping traders in my opinion. Hunting late longs from yesterday is basically what we can expect here. So we're skiing, guys. Hands off. Hands off. Grab your ski poles. Whatever you're into. Maybe your singular ski pole. Whatever you're into, man. But trading is waiting, man. Trading is waiting. That's it. I'm very bad at selling. Invert your chart. Invert your chart. Hit the opposite button. Okay. You gotta be. I'm better at selling than I am. I mean, guys, I've had the best 2 months of my trading career in the last 2 months, and what have we been doing? Dumping. So you need to make adjustments. A lot of people come on here. It's like, all you do is long, guys. Of course, all I do is long. When the market has looked like this forever, why would I fade the trend? I'm going to make more money on longs than I am shorts. Guess what? The market changed here, everybody. The market changed here. So you need to change here. And if you can change quickly in this area and adapt, you can make a lot of money. Just a thought. Has anything changed here? Well, we have an internal break of structure. Internal, external, whatever. We've broken this high. So looking for a retest continuation. Really need to take this high. Okay? Or come back and take this high. You got work to do. Right now this is rolling over. Very aggressive push up. Very aggressive push down. Block. Golden pocket. Retested the lows. Are we out of the woods yet? I don't know. If we lose this volume, we're coming much lower. Nasty. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Congratulations on your short, everybody. Imagine we took that short from that sell wall, man. Whew. We'd be rich right now. I didn't want it. I didn't want a degenerate trade, okay? Losing this block here. Last SFP of this low right here. Volume node here trying to hold. No trade right now. Rolling over. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hitting those like buttons. 480 people here. 200 likes. Thank you, guys. God bless you guys. If you were considering joining the Discord, Black Friday sales on right now. Pinned comment. Been short since London. Nice, Dusty. Good job, bro. 222 GG's, guys. GG's. Good job. How comfortable are those OG hoodies? I mean, this is my new one. I just got this in the mail yesterday. I got a bigger size to be like real chill. But they're nice, man. I mean, they're pretty comfy on the inside. The other one I got, I've washed like obviously like for months on end, and it's still holding up pretty nicely, so I mean, you don't have to buy a hoodie, man. Not in any trades right now. Good job, Gear. Take a breather, man. Enjoy it. Stock's going up. Bitcoin wants to die. Yeah, well, when you move up as we did, this is all liquidity, right? So natural target, right? We're coming back to retest, right? Don't forget, Bitcoin can move up just as fast. But nice roll over here. Solana, same deal. Losing key support, looking down in here. 138-ish. Ethereum. Someone asked me to look at Ethereum a while ago. Yeah. Rolling over. Like, it doesn't have to be complicated. It's pretty simple. Right? Just no strength. Right? No strength in this. Structure is still down. New or low, right? Low and a low. High and a lower high. We're coming here minimum. Until we can flip this. Inverse head and shoulders, whatever you're into. No pushback here, holding. Yeah, pivot, pivot. It's funny, yesterday we traded last night Asia, we traded basically off of the pivots. Look at that, guys. What did we say? We're going to probably come up and tap that previous day high. Right there. So good, man. We do not want to get our previous day low. That would be pretty painful. Pretty painful if we come for that low. Guys, how could we front run that pink box? How do we front run? I mean, we got to third base. We were talking about this last night. It was a little bit rude, but I think it's appropriate. You know, you're at third base. She's at your house. You're at third base. You're going for the pink box, and then Aunt Flo rings the doorbell. That's exactly what happened to our pink box yesterday. Aunt Flo, she just comes in and she says, "Hello, how's it going?" And you got that close, man. Aunt Flo doing it again, ruining your evening. So close. So close. I hate when Aunt Flo shows up, man. She's evil. Evil Knievel. We have a sketchy. What do we have down below? Well, I don't know if you've not been here for a while, but you getting 10 minutes, bro. Sorry, Getchy. If you know, you know. Can't you just hang out and watch? Balls are blue. Getchy said CME in my chat, man. It doesn't fly. Good to see you, J Violet. How's it going? Newbie Crypto, what's going on, Vita? LJ. I think it delivers to Spain, LJ. Good morning, Lava. Mohammed. This market's shit, isn't it? Look at this. This is garbage. We don't touch this, though. We don't touch this. This is no touchy. Coming into market open, we got Nvidia remains up for pre-market. Interesting. NASDAQ still looks strong. Only Bitcoin's dumping. Welcome to crypto, baby. So weird. Very weird. Whatever. NASDAQ's rolling over a little bit, but not like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's absolutely flaccid right now. Okay, bounce level here. Yeah, bounce where? Bitcoin's going to 0. My God, what a dump, guys. We should have really shorted up here. Holy smokes, Batman. Golden pocket, order block right here. Golden pocket's the lower part of this buy level here, guys, just so that you know. And just like that, we're going back to the 80s. GG's on your shorts, everybody. What's going on, Lunar? Good to see you. This is nasty. Nice bounce here. Bounce out of a key level. Lower. I want to take it, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna wait. I'm still short from 97,000. Good job, Piper. My hero, man. Thanks for covering for me yesterday, man. I appreciate you, bro. I've had a really long, hard week, so I appreciate you. Did you see the Emmys? I don't think I've ever seen the Emmys. If I get juked by another buy level, this was actually the main buy level here. Let me double check that golden pocket. No, lower. Yeah, I knew it was the lower part of this box. Little hopium here. Little hopium. Hopium pump, maybe? Where are we? Overextended 12-minute. 24. Double bottom. 1 hour. Trigger wave. 2 hour. Trigger wave down. Rolling over. Okay. Bearish. Bearish, bearish. Continuation. I mean, if we just needed to tap this block, I'll be pretty upset. Might be the case, but I'm not taking the trade here. Anybody get long down here? I mean, put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I'm gonna get some more coffee, guys. I'm gonna make an emotional decision here. I'm gonna step away from the charts. I'm out of coffee and we're going into market open. I'm excited for market open. We got some good volatility, so there's lots of money to be made. Let's just make sure we take the right trades. I'll be right back.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Sorry to hear that, Brumbelow. That's a mean ant. Ant Flow. Do you get the joke? Anyways. I shouldn't have to say. Safi from India. What's going on, Nick Musgrave? Everyone can say it right. Meow. What meow? Do you know how fast you're going? Thank you, guys. Does he want to make a thumbnail? Or does he want me to use his exchange that's going to change my life? Everybody's asking that same question, Bullish Bob. You have to make a decision based on. A lot of people are overextended, right? They're all in alts, and I'm sorry to hear that, and hurts for a lot of you. I know it's not easy. That's why I always say be 80% Bitcoin, speculate on some alts here and there. Good morning, Alex. That's the breakout trendline retest. For in here. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Shamitris. Thank you for being here, though. Good to see you. Lifers Hayden? I hope not. I mean, I try to be kind to everyone. That's it, man. Jason's gonna fight Lifer in an MMA match. That'd be interesting. Trader Gio and I are gonna go boxing. We're about the same height and weight. Gio's down. We're gonna throw hands. I'm down. He's never been hammered and nailed by a carpenter, I'll tell you that much. Nice pushback here. Coming into market open. V-shaped recovery possibility. Solana. You ever been hammered and nailed by a carpenter? There's some things you don't lose, and that's your tradesman's strength. I'll tell you that. There's a reason why my Hobbit ass can hit a 300-yard drive. That's all I'll say. Nice pushback here. This looks good. Doji engulfing, continuation back. Soy Boy Lana pushing back. V-shaped recovery inbound. NASDAQ pushing. This is so volatile today, guys. Holy smokes, Batman. 1% move. Halfway down the candle, retest, continuation into market open. Sketchy. I'm not taking the trade, guys. It's an emotional trade right now. I understand that, so I'm not taking it. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade typically. We'll look for follow through here. Volume follow through into the lows, so you would take the long here. Halfway down the candle. And you look to take it to these highs here, but I'm not taking it. It's just not, it's an emotional trade for me. I can tell the difference. You would look for this to this. Your stop loss would go underneath here. That would be your trade setup. And look, it works. Crazy. Here's that momentum volume trading, doji engulfing. Key level. Starts with a key level, right? Doji engulfing. Continuation. That's where you should have taken the long. And follow through. There it is. I don't know if any of you took that, but that's how I would have taken it. And you would be out already. You'd already be paid. Okay. You joined the Discord, how to subscribe. AlexOCrypto, you go over here. You join the Otter Gang. You pay. You click Discord. Go over to the Discord. Verify membership. Okay, so you probably need to go here. Verify membership and enter Discord. And then you should get the role. So you probably just need to go here. I love Casper, man. I made $20 on this little push-up. Nice. And then you lost $80 on the way down? Anyways, we're here to trade, guys. Let's keep people names. Keep my wife's name out of your goddamn mouth. Anyways, love everybody. Who cares? Whatever you want. I missed a word. Sorry. I'm not Will Smith, man. You got 4 requests on Discord. I will never private message you, man. I have no desire to chat with people privately. I talk to my wife privately. That's about it. I'm not saving Ryan's privates here. You should go in and click the X button on every single AlexOCrypto that's trying to talk to you. It's not me. Thank you for being here, Sulio. Ganesh, good morning. Safi, I don't know what you were saying, bro, but behave yourself, please. Bad Baptist, good to see you. Babak, good to see you as well. Gunleaf, good morning. We got 7 minutes till market opens. Good morning, Ryan. Good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. JR, good to see you. Bilal. Arpad, what's going on? How you been, man? Good to see you. Dusty. We got 518 people here, 222 likes. Thank you guys for smashing up the like button. I do appreciate it. We're here live trading every morning with you guys, hanging out, taking trades, showing the trades, making crypto honest again. That's our goal, is to show you everything that we're doing and how we're doing it so that you guys can eventually maybe do it for yourself and hopefully help you guys on your journey. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. And we do Asia session. I believe it's 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10 p.m. on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Sometimes Mondays, too. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Subscribe. Join the Discord. Discord's Black Friday sales on. And, yeah. Happy days, man. Happy days. We took Solana for $100 this morning. A little bit of a weird one here. We're pumped up, but the exchange didn't move. No trades right now. Still waiting. Looks like a good recovery here. Hanging man continuation here. Doji engulfing push back here. Below VWAP, though, still concerning. See if standard deviation 1 is going to hold us down here. Nice bounce out of our buy level down below. We've missed both areas have played out perfectly today. I mean, I'm typically looking for a 1% move on everything, and I mean, you got it both ways today. So maybe we've missed both trades today. Who knows? But key levels always working their magic, man. Always working their magic. 5 minutes till market opens. Nvidia still opened up pretty strong pre-market, so this is gonna jump stocks. Typically when you gap up though, guys, and you gap up, you're typically looking for a recovery down. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna come all the way down, but you're typically looking for a bullish open, a retracement, and then possible continuation. Okay, so we'll be watching that quite closely here, especially because of the earnings on Nvidia yesterday. NASDAQ here has obviously, I mean, NASDAQ effed with everyone yesterday. NASDAQ pushed and dumped, okay, yesterday, and then ripped after the earnings, okay? Incredible pump and dump yesterday. Look at the pump and dump yesterday, man. Only to get the earnings and go to Valhalla. Okay, that's why everybody got wrecked yesterday. Everybody got bullish and then got wrecked. We look at Bitcoin, we can see that everybody got bullish. Look how little it was comparison. Bullish and then got wrecked. And then Nvidia earnings came out. Boom, we're back up here. Coming back for liquidity right now. So looking for follow through and continuation. We have come back and swept some more liquidity, which is a good sign. So we're looking for continuation back up into this range in here, which was probably going to be quite sticky. We'll see how it goes for the rest of this morning. One trade, my one trade this morning, Solana was in here. I took it along on Solana. Solana's price had popped up, but my exchange did not. So I took the money and ran. That's all I did. It wasn't a trade setup. It was just a simple glitch in the matrix. Sometimes with the exchange, the exchange is flat, and then the price action on TradingView is moving in a direction, and that's what happened with Solana. Solana was still here, but on the TradingView, Solana was up here. So I longed here and took my profits up here. So it's free money glitch. I don't know why it happens, but it does sometimes, and I will take advantage of it every single time until they fix it. We got news data this morning from September, not October's data, September's data, and it came out here and it dumped. Okay, unemployment's up. Jobs were added, which is kind of weird. Jobs came in above expectations. I think they were expecting 50,000. They got 100,000. So, kind of uncertain. Didn't really change our watch tool. So we had non-farm here, and we had unemployment rate, which came out 119. Expected 50. Okay. Up a percent in unemployment, so unemployment continues to climb. If we refresh this, the Fed Watch tool here, we can see that there's a 40%. So this actually went up 10% here. There's a 40% chance of a cut now since that data, okay, which is still not the greatest. 1 minute till market opens. Thank you everybody for being here and hanging out. Otter gang. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Happy Thursday going into the week. Diamond Palm, good morning. VW John, good morning. Good to see you. Brumbelow, thank you for being here. Still nasty. Misanthropic, good to see you. No problem. Thanks for the kind words. Massey, what's going on, bro? What's your prediction on the market open? We're looking to get back into this range, basically. A nice sweep into the lows, bounce level, golden pocket, continuation trade here. But trapping traders long right now, in my opinion. So we'll see where this wants to push. Probably a little push up and then retracement, continuation. We'll see. Volatility inbound. So Nvidia opening up bullishly, returning down as expected. Okay. Nicey nice. S&P, big gap up, big target now for the lows. So we go here to here. We can see we got a big old target. Bitcoin looks like it wants to roll over as well. So we'll see how this goes. Big old push up and a big push down. NASDAQ here rolling over aggressively. Oof, nasty dumper. Nasty dumper here on the Nasdaqian open this morning, coming back for all this liquidity in here. Bitcoin flat. Interesting. So Bitcoin has all its movement. NASDAQ could be lagging here. Sweep down, fair value gap target, bounce back up. Look for follow through continuation into VWAP here. Little bit of patience. Oh, market's opening nice here for the SPY. ETH bouncing off of our bounce level. Look at that level you got this morning on Ethereum too, man. The spoon feeding is real, man. Anyways, follow through here. Looking strong. V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and hanging out here. Indecision. Nice slap down for NASDAQ here. Nice slap. Okay. Continuation up. VWAP resistance right now. Continuation up, though. Suggested by NASDAQ. Strength here. ETH strength as well. Nvidia coming down a little bit after pre-market earnings. Flat for Bitcoin. No trade. Still waiting here. Nice trigger wave on the 12-minute trying to push up. 24, same thing, double bottom trying to push up. Hourly trigger wave trying to push up. 2 hour pushing down. Okay, so red dot printing on the 3 hour. Yeah, so short time frames battling that mid time frame kind of idea here. Nice sweep though, liquidity grab into our order block buy level this morning. Sweep up into the highs, sell. I mean, both levels playing out really well. No exciting trades though. One little scalp trade on Solana, just messing with the exchange. Now we wait. Clipping down low here. Look for a return back into here. Fair value gap. 1 minute. Let's go 1 minute here. So I would like lower on this green box, if I'm being honest. I would like us to come into here. Lower part of this box. We can look here. I'm not too keen on this though. Bear divs rotation down. This would be the higher low area. Really trapping traders both directions, right? Like trapping everybody on the longs on this pump up here. Slap through VWAP, retest, rotation down. Good sell off into our buy level. Doji engulfing continuation trade. Bang up. Bearish divergence rotation into here. Or we get a chop continuation pattern in here. Let me get going. VWAP resistance. Swing high to swing low. We can go locally here too as well. We can see that we actually did come pretty nicely into this area here. As another level of resistance. Okay, so just waiting right now. Kind of in a hot dog zone, clearly. Clearly hot dogging, man. So don't trade the wiener, man. Trade the buns. Unless you like wieners, that's totally up to you, man. Thank you guys for being here. Dusty, Power, good to see you. Join Discord, open a ticket. Welcome, Curbstar. Just joined the Discord. Welcome, man. Thank you for joining. Watch the must videos, please. I'm paying for the Discord, but I'm not in the Discord. I think it's this part. You got to go here, verify, and it'll bring you as a verified member. 40K Bitcoin bottom. We'll see. They can't handle Pi Bear. You gonna tell me about the data today, Piper? Am I sending the stream to you after or what? I need to know. Very choppy this morning, guys. No trade here. NASDAQ, yeah. NASDAQ's done a job coming back for this fair value gap, trying to push back above this range. Nvidia's bouncing now. SPY holding strong. Nice open for SPY. Bitcoin's flat. No trade here. Break it down now. Good morning, Taylor. Good to see you, man. How you doing? From below, Honda Man, Dusty. What is my last name rhyme with? Punt. Punt. That thing they do in football. Hidden bullish divergence on the weekly. Yeah, I saw that. I don't like hidden divergences. You're really trying to split hairs, man. You're trying to split hairs. I'm sure there's something more important than a hidden bullish bearish divergence. Just saying. I never trade solely based off of hidden divergences. It's not something I've ever done. Maybe I'll make more money. What's going on, Scott? Good to see you, man. Hammer engulfing pushback here. SPY remains strong. Trapping traders. No trade here. Chopping. Just chopping, man. I don't. Unless the chop is quite girthy and wide, right? If we have like a 0.5% chop, then we can buy low, sell high, right? We can treat it like a range. As a scalper, you can treat this like a range. But this is too it's too tight, guys. It's way too tight. Okay, you need to behave yourself. Get your mind out of the gutter. I continue to try and improve my behavior online, like I do. But you do construction for 15 years. You can't unlearn what's been ingrained in you for so long. You know, if you can't drive a nail in 3 shots, set, bang, bang, 3.5-inch spikes. If you can't drive that, you say hit it with your purse. You know, like it's construction humor, man. You're gonna get a lot of that here. I'm sorry if I offend anyone. You probably don't want to be here. Go watch someone else. It's okay. But I will show you everything. I will show you what I do. I don't see many people doing that. They want you to sign up for their exchange, man. Join their exchange. Join the exchange. Click. Their deposit bonus is better than anyone's, okay? They need your trading fees, man. They need your fees, please. That's fine, man. That's their hustle. We're going right. That's it, Lava. Okay, so rotation down here. So a little bit of a tell. A little bit of a tell here. Coming down. Filling fair value gap target. Yeah, you leave your feelings at home on the construction site, man. If they don't make fun of you on a construction site, they don't like you. Okay? You got to be able to take the piss, man. You're trenching in the trenches, doing construction. If you can't laugh and make fun of each other, you're not enjoying yourself, man. You're a little bit too sensitive. If they're not making fun of you, they don't like you. That's when you got a problem. If they're not chirping you, if they're not, sad life, shut up, man. Come on, man. Who wants to see that, man? Who wants to see that? Come back tomorrow, idiot. So they can trade like garbage and make $60K per month and buy new Lambos. Okay. Piper, you're relentless, man. Just ban him. I'd like to give him a chance. That will be his final warning. Good job, Gunleaf. GG's, man. Hey, I did not start it. My Hobbit friend from Toronto started it. I'm doing well, Alfonso. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I've been hit with a couple 2x4s there, Massey. Now sad is sad. Golden pocket here, guys. Nasdaq rolling over. Nasdaq looks weak. Very choppy up at the top. Indecision on S&P. Solana says lower. Doji engulfing. Continuation down. Nvidia's trying to hold up the market as usual. Bitcoin rolling over. Lower high rotation down here. No trade. Still no trade, guys. Up $100 today. Happy days. Nice little retest. Like good retest in here. Good retest to the low. Right? Could have taken that momentum trade up into here. Yeah, it's not too appealing to me, really. Good bounce here. Nasdaq pushing. SPY's pushing. Confluence throughout the market. Trying to push up here. Solana retest to lows. Bitcoin retest to lows. Nasdaq's catching a bid though. This looks strong. Could be to just come and grab this liquidity, so cautious here. No trade. Still waiting. Bitcoin. I mean, there's a lot of support here, guys. Like, we understand our macro area here. There's a lot of volume in here. So we could chop in here. Just saying. No real decision of direction right now. Very choppy, as we can see on NASDAQ as well. What I'm talking about is if we look at this as a range, and we look at this general area in here, and we zoom in, we can see how much volume there is here, right? So we're trying to reclaim this volume. It's not going to be an easy task. Otherwise, we're rotating down to the lows. You must be aware of this stuff when you're zoomed in, okay? That's key. If you don't know your surrounding areas, well, you know, you're going to end up hurt. Orb is in. Ray Orb is in. We'll see how that holds today. If we lose this orb, we're probably coming down for the lows. Pink box. Got a couple stops along the way. I would love a failed orb breakdown. Reclaim and go. That would be the trade of the day, in my opinion. Bullish divergence here. Golden pocket, lower part of this green box. Confluence off we go. That would be the trade of the day. All the way back up to that $94,000. That's what I would look for. Do we get it? We'll see. Very digestible, this price action. We had a lot of volatility to start the stream, and now it's just flat. It's weird. You know, all this volume, and now market opens and they don't know which way to go. They're not sure, which is fine. It requires patience here, right? Like this is the hard part. Pardon me. It's the hard part of trading, is waiting for them to give me a sign, man. I mean, you could go holding orb here, continuation to VWAP. You could look for that trade. There's no real, this golden pocket retracement, right? You could look for this right here. Stop loss below the low. That would be a setup. Probably like a B setup. Like I wouldn't think this would be a... You got NASDAQ trying to catch a bid here. You got SPY trying to catch a bid here, so you got that on your side. Standard deviation 1 holding here. That would be the idea. Golden pocket. Lower orb. Continuation trade. I'm not taking it. Because you're going against trend right now. Okay, yeah, larger term time frame, yeah, we pushed up yesterday, cool. But shorter term, we're down. So you're fighting it, because our major one is down as well, right? Your weeklies, your dailies is down. Your 12 hours down. So these are all down. So you're fighting trend on something like this. Clearly your SFP short, golden pocket, that was the play. But you are looking for some sort of pushback here because of the earnings yesterday from Nvidia. Does that mean it comes here? I don't know. What makes sense to me is that they need to come into here, because this is targets for liquidity. Bart Simpsoning, right? Bart Simpsoning, we had that yesterday too. That's why we all got long here in our Discord. I mean, everybody in our Discord, we long Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. For lots of money. Never financial advice, but the Discord is absolutely fire. And that's just 3 traders out of 8. 8 traders helping you guys navigate with signals, setups, ideas, chart analysis, long-term macro analysis, smart money concepts, bat patterns, shark patterns, neo wave theory, swing trades, scalping, momentum trades, JPOW trades, whatever the hell waves say for JPOW trades. You know, it's okay, we are now going to talk about the fact that AlexOCrypto says catch a bid. Yeah, like it wants to catch a bid, man. Buyers need to step up. WaveCypher, I have no idea what the fucking JPOW trade setup is, man. Maybe you make a JPOW video for me. I have no fucking idea what a JPOW is. Just like the stiletto pattern, just like the balloon dog. That's how I feel about the JPOW, whatever that is. But you can show me what a inverse mongoose JPOW schlonging donging. If it pays, man, I want to know. That's all I got to say. Oh, it's too good, man. Volume went up. It's just 50-50. Yeah, it's no touchy here, Sulio. Gunleaf. Leader, what's my opinion? What do you want my opinion on? You probably won't like it. If they don't make fun of you, you're in trouble. Absolutely. Where do I find the must-watch videos? So you have your family, you have all your family lessons in one organized area. So family lessons right here. And you have all of your must videos, bonus videos, general, VWAP, SFB, orb, Fibonacci, order block structure, volume. You got 140 videos to work through here. But I watched the must videos. It's in the family lessons here. Just make crypto honest again. That's it, V-Monitor. I mean, I showed everybody my P&L record yesterday. Me starting with $50,000 at the first of the month. Me depositing $80,000 into my cold storage wallet. Turning my $50K into $178,000 within 18 days. 18 days. And they see the P&L. They see it all. They get to see everything. I showed them everything. That's how we roll. Very, very choppy. Very indecisive here. Catching higher lows here, but it's like really not something that's really appealing for me to trade right now, guys. Look at this. This is shit. This is volatility, right? So volatility index, you know, you should always check this, but whenever you look at the VIX, when you're okay, this makes sense. So we're chopping slower now. Yesterday, we're increasing our volatility, which means price action is going to be moving a lot faster. Now we have decreased into indecision. So for me, this tells me that it's going to take much longer it's going to chop, but it's going to take longer for the price to decide a direction. Okay. So for me, I just need to be patient. That's it. Pretty simple. Why do you transfer funds to your cold wallet rather than to 1% of your... It's too risky. Yes, I did, Ryan. Yes, I did. So, Sulio, what you must understand is you have an exchange. Your exchange, you want to keep little to no amount of money on this exchange. That's why you use leverage to supplement your income. Okay? I can trade up to like a $300,000 account. I trade a $100,000 account, risking $1,000 per trade. Okay, but from your exchange, you should always have, and there's no trade here, guys. Maybe a long here, but I'm not taking it. From your exchange, you should always have a rotation model. So you should have a float bag. You should have your float. Okay? Meaning if you take a lot of losses on your exchange, you can top up your exchange. You should always have a float bag, right? And then from there, you should also have a hot wallet. Okay? So float is typically a hot wallet. Then another hot wallet for your piggy bank. This will be your piggy bank. And then from your piggy bank, you will pay yourself. So either you will pay yourself into your cold storage or you'll pay yourself into fiat. Okay? This is the taxable event. This is the HODL event. Okay? From your piggy bank, you either pay yourself a wage, right? So maybe you pay yourself $500 a week or whatever you're comfortable with. But this should be fill in your coffers kind of deal. You should have a rotation model for your capital to always protect your capital. That is your job. Keeping money on an exchange is very, very, very risky. Okay, I started on FTX, guys, so I'm always like, get this money off kind of deal. So I always rotate. End of month, always rotate, right? End of month, always rotate. That's just my rule. You guys do what you want to do, but I mean, look at what happened on the 10th, right? On October 10th, just a big liquidity event. And that's the thing too, is that like even if you're trading, you got to be starting your day. So like every morning when I start my day, whatever profits I've made, I rotate it off of my futures account into my spot account on the exchange too. I start every day with $20,000. That means if there's a liquidity event that happens where I get liquidated, I will only lose $20,000. I will not lose the rest. Okay? Always protect yourself, guys. It's not your trading's hard enough. Manage your money, protect your capital at all costs. Okay? As you can see, I'm up $100 today off of a stupid Solana trade. Oh man, too funny. Yeah, very choppy here, guys. Oh, okay. See, this is concerning because it's all liquidity here. What goes up must come down, right? I'm missing everything on this. No trade here. What hot wallet do you use? Phantom or Exodus? I have both. No problem, Celio. Thanks, Ryan. Yeah, it's been my best trading of my life. So, I'm trying to remain level-headed about it. It's not easy. Obviously, you feel like you've cheated the system, making that much money. How many hours do you trade per day? Unfortunately, all hours because I'm on the charts teaching and helping other people. But for me, focus trading typically is about 2 to 3 hours. This is focus trading. I just don't. I mean, I probably would have already taken 3 trades right now with size, right? But there is a responsibility here to protect new people, and I'm not just going to say I entered, I exited, I entered, I exited. Scalping, it's not fair to people who are watching, who are learning. Number one job is to protect the new trader. The thing is that I want people to last. I don't want people to come in here and say crypto's a scam, trading is bullshit. Fuck this shit. It's not real. I'd rather you sit here and learn and we work together and you have a chance because it's not easy. If you had 100K, how would you separate that? Into what? Investments? Always 20% cash, 80% Bitcoin if you're doing crypto. Then the rest, figure it out. But it's not the time to buy Bitcoin. All day long moment hustle because I'm trying to help people and teach as well. So we need to send you guys over to Piper. No trades. Guys, thank you so much for being here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful day. Have a good trading day. Be patient here. They're going to probably send it down, in my opinion. They'll send it down probably 90. Looking at 89,500. That's where I'm looking. Or an SFP right now. Remember the setups? The ideas? Maybe we go back and look at it here. So what we're looking for today. I want to see this low taking golden pocket right here. If we get a bounce out of here, higher high, higher low, reclaim of orb, you're looking to rotate up to the highs. Okay, also looking into this order block down here. Pink box is still available. Okay, big Bart Simpson here. Liquidity, you need to see structure in order to justify taking a bigger long trade. So be patient in this area here. I hate symmetrical triangles if you didn't know. So looking for a decision. Hopefully the decision's down. Get some structure. Look for rotation back up high. Otherwise, you're looking for rotation down, retest to previous lows, and continuation. Okay, so be patient in here. We're below VWAP. We are downtrending. Okay, so don't be married to trying to catch along, guys. Be patient. Enjoy Army Piper. Go throw some I don't know, hot dog emojis for data for Army Piper, guys. He's got the morning wood because he's got some data. So go over there, smack his like button. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you guys in the Discord today. God bless you. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the